Hey guys, it's time to do another showcase. Today I am showcasing one of my flowers in my favorite color, purple. I'm going to get up close and give you guys a close-up. I am outside so that I can show off those gorgeous metallic paints. This is a 10 by 10 inch professional grade canvas. It has been sealed with numerous coats of a clear gloss top coat that dries hard and looks like glass when you put multiple coats on like I did. This item will be added to my Etsy shop, so be sure to check that out. That's going to do it for this one today. I hope you enjoyed it. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.